Hi and welcome to Reading Corner with Laura. Today I'm going to show you how to do a basic speed sound lesson using Phonics flashcards. Set 2 sounds are all made up of special friends, so this means there is more than one letter to make up that sound. And when we're teaching Read Write Ink, we call it special friends. Okay, so once your child has successfully learned all of their set 1 sounds and you've reached a point where there's no sounds in your need to learn pile and they've all made it into the big speed sound pack, that's when you can start moving on to teach your child the set 2 sounds. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue with your speed sounds of set 1 every single day. So you're going to keep going through these at the start of every single session, so that your child gets really quick and really confident at reading those set 1 sounds. And then you're going to do your new sound lesson. So you're going to teach either 1 or 2 of these set 2 sounds, and you're going to start feeding these new sounds into your speed sound pack. Okay, so your set 2 sounds are going to start making their way into this pack so that they become part of your speed sound sessions every day. Once you've reached a point where your child successfully knows all of their set 2 sounds and your pack becomes a little bit too thick to run through all of those sounds every day, you can then remove all of your set 2 sounds because you're going to start teaching those set 3 sounds and they are going to start feeding their way into your new daily speed sound pack. Okay, so I'm going to run through the set 2 speed sounds with Reese for you. Again, he might say a couple wrong, but I'm just going to correct him as he goes. Okay, whenever you're ready, Reese, off you go.
Ooh. Oi. Ow. Or. Eh. Ow.
O.
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 O. R. A. E. I.
Fantastic job, well done, Reese. Okay, so you may have seen there that Reese read the O sound and he said the sound ow. That is correct. That is one of the set 3 sounds that he's going to learn a little bit later on. However, for our set 2 sound pack, we need to make sure that they say the O sound correctly. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our speed sound session. This is just a daily task that you can do with your children for a few minutes at the beginning of any phonics, literacy, reading or writing task you choose to do with them. You may even choose to do it a couple of times a day, and the idea behind it is to just get your child used to reading those sounds quickly and confidently. They can use these then as a tool to blend and decode unfamiliar words, which will have them reading in absolute no time. And it's going to help you to support them because you'll be hearing and learning those sounds as like me, it might not have been a way that you learned to read when you were at school, but now it's something that you can use to help you support your own child. Please look out for my next video on how to teach your children a new sound, and we hope you're all staying safe and taking care of yourselves. Thanks very much. Bye bye.